The Money Mastery Workshop. I'm Karthik Javeri. I'm a financial planner and a wealth manager, and I've been advising people on money management over the last 20 years. I've given advice to hundreds of families and hundreds of crores of their wealth. Over the years, in my interaction with media, doing seminars, doing television shows, I've touched more than 1 million lives. I also have a YouTube channel which you can catch up with me on lots of my videos that I've posted there. At this time, I want to work with you to make a positive difference in your financial life, and that's why I have created this Money Mastery program. In my experience, a lot of people need this kind of workshop. The reason for that is very simple. A lot of people do not understand basic money management. They don't understand finance, they don't understand investments, they don't understand basic taxation, how tax works, how tax impacts your life, and how you can create various types of tax-free income. As a result of all of this, people tend to take ad hoc decisions. Now, these ad hoc decisions are very costly. You lose money as a result of this. And even if you don't lose money, you make very small, measly returns. Either ways, that's a loss of money to you. As a result, one after the other, bad decisions keep following. What makes life even worse is that a lot of times people rely on friends and family, which is actually very, very injurious to your financial health. A summation of all this, what happens is then people have financial stress, and this financial stress over a period of time takes even a toll on health. So even if you're not an expert at finance, you still need to have a few basic things that you need to know about money management, and you need to know certain details about money management as well, so that you are able to have a nice and comfortable life. Let me elaborate a little bit to you about these little workshops that we are doing. When we talk about money management and wealth creation, we need to have the knowledge, we need to have the skills, we need to have the tools and the attitude. Now, unfortunately, this is not taught in any school. You never learn this in any college or any educational institute. There are many programs these days which help you to develop an attitude to create wealth, to create a mindset to create wealth. But from where will you get the knowledge and the skills and the tools to actually make the most effective use of your money, the money that you are holding in your hand? And that's why you must attend the Money Mastery workshops. So you will be able to take very good decisions yourself. You would be able to decide which is a good investment. You would be able to live your lifestyle completely guilt-free. You would be able to spend the way you want, and as well as make the investments that you'd like. You would be able to have a complete control on all your cash flows. And most important of all, money management will become really, really easy. We will give you all the knowledge, all the skills, the tools, ebooks, software, ready to use templates, skills, strategies, and lots of great ideas to manage your money. We will empower you, and this empowerment lead to choice of doing what you want to do. You work for the pleasure of work and you don't work for the EMI anymore. You live life on your terms and you have options in life. And all of this put together becomes nothing but financial freedom. Now, I strongly suggest that once you finish this video, register for the Money Mastery Workshop, for our next free monthly workshop which we are conducting, and take a test drive. Check it out for yourself, and if you like it, you can continue going on to the next sequence of workshops.